Assalamu alaikum aspirants. Welcome to this lecture on essential English MCQs for CSS, MPT and other comparative exams. So these questions cover vocabulary, grammar, idioms and sentence structures that frequently appear in exams. If you are preparing for the recently announced PPSC Sub-Inspector 14 scale test, so note that English makes up 40% of the exam. This lecture and my English playlist are designed to help you strengthen your English skills and improve your chances of passing. So focus on understanding each question carefully and practice selecting the correct option to boost both accuracy and speed. So इस लेक्चर में हम 20 MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट सिनोनिम फॉर इबुलियंट। इबुलियंट का सिनोनिम बताना है डिप्रेस्ड, इंथुजियास्टिक, काम या इनडिफरेंट। तो इसका सही जवाब है बी, इंथुजियास्टिक। For the word ebullient, which means full of energy, the correct synonym is enthusiastic, as it captures that lively, excited vibe perfectly, like someone bubbling with excitement at a big event. Options like depressed suggest sadness, calm implies a lack of energy, and indifferent means not caring at all. So they do not fit the vibrant meaning of ebullient, making B the clear choices for your exam prep. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं व्हाट इज द एंटोनिम ऑफ ऑस्ट्रिया। ऑस्ट्रिया का अपोजिट वर्ड क्या है? लेविश, सिंपल, स्ट्रिक्ट या फिर हार्श। तो इसका सही जवाब है लेविश। ठीक है। ऑस्ट्रिया डिस्क्राइब्स समथिंग प्लेन, सिंपल और lacking luxury like a bare room with no decoration. So its opposite or antonym is lavish, which means extravagant or full of luxury like a grand ornate palace. So simple is too close to Austria meaning, while strict and harsh relate to its severe tone, but do not oppose its lack of extravagance. So A is the right pick for your exam prep. The next question है identify the correct preposition. She is afraid dash spiders, from, of, at or with. तो इसका सही जवाब है B, of. When expressing fear, the correct preposition is of, as in afraid of spiders. A common phrase you will see in English tests like CSS or FPSC where precision matters. From is for origin or movement like coming from a city. At is for locations or targets like looking at a book. And with shows association like staying with friends. So only of its here, making B the answer to boost your grammar score. Then next question, हमारा next question है which sentence is in the correct passive voice? So the chef cooked the meal. The meal was cooked by the chef. The meal cooks by the chef or the chef is cooking the meal. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, the meal was cooked by the chef. So in passive voice the subject receives the action. So the meal was cooked by the chef puts the focus on the meal being acted upon. Perfect for PPSC or CSS grammar questions. So option A and D are active voice where the chef does the action and C is just grammatically wrong. So since cooks by is not valid structure, so B is your go-to answer to voice related questions on the exam. The next question is select the correct idiom meaning to reveal a secret. Spill the beans, hit the nail on the head, break a leg or piece of cake. तो इसका सही जवाब है spill the beans. Spill the beans. The idiom spill the beans means to reveal a secret, like telling everyone about a surprise party. So, which is a common expression tested in exams to check your idiom knowledge. So, hit the nail on the head means being exactly right. Break a leg is a good luck wish for performers, and piece of cake means something easy. So, A is the correct choice to help you shine in your exam prep. The next, choose the right spelling. तो इसमें सही स्पेलिंग बताने हैं accommodation के। तो यहाँ पर सही जवाब है सी, accommodation. The word accommodation meaning a place to stay or an adjustment is spelled with double C and double M, making C the correct choice for CSS, FPSC or PPSC spelling questions. So where accuracy is key. Options A, B and D are common misspellings with wrong letter counts or vowel errors. So stick with C to avoid losing easy marks on your exam. Then next question discuss करते हैं what is the synonym of pernicious? Pernicious beneficial, harmful, helpful or innocent. तो इसका synonym क्या है? इसका synonym है harmful. ठीक है, इसका मतलब होता है harmful या फिर destructive, often in a sneaky way like a bad habit that slowly ruins health. So harmful is the perfect synonym for vocabulary test. So beneficial and helpful mean the opposite, suggesting positive effects, and innocent implies no harm or guilt. So B is the answer. Then next question. Convert to indirect speech. He said, I am going to the market. He said that he was going to the market. He says he is going to the market. He said he goes to the market, or he said that I am going to the market. तो इसका सही जवाब है ए. He said that he was going to the market. So he said that he was going to the market. To convert I am going to the market to indirect speech, change am to the past tense, was and keep the pronoun he, resulting in he said that he was going to the market, which is a classical CSR FPSC question type. So option B keeps present tense, C changes the verb structure wrongly, and D messes up the pronoun. So is your best bet to master reported speech for the exam. Then next question देखते हैं. Book is a reading as a folk is to dash drawing, eating, writing or singing. तो इसका राइट आंसर है, यहाँ पर करेक्ट एनालॉजी बतानी है. बुक इज़ अ रीडिंग टू इज़ टू रीडिंग एज फाक इज़ टू. तो इसका सही जवाब है बी. ठीक है, ईटिंग. अ बुक इज़ अ टूल फॉर रीडिंग जस्ट लाइक अ फोक इज़ अ टूल फॉर ईटिंग. So making eating the correct analogy for CSR FPSC PPSC analogy question. So which test logical relationship? Drawing, writing and singing are not actions tied to a folk primary use. So B is the clear answer. Then next question. One word substitution for a person who collects stamps. Numismatist, philatelist, cartographer or ornithologist. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी. ठीक है. Philatelist is someone who collects stamps. A precise one substitution often tested in exams to check your vocabulary range. And a numismatist collects coins, and cartographer makes maps, and an ornithologist studies birds. So B is the right answer. The next question है, the meeting was dash due to bad weather. Called off, called on, called in or called up. तो इसका सही जवाब है called off. ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए called off. Called off means to cancel, like scrapping a meeting due to bad weather, which is a common phrasal verb tested in exams. So called on means to visit for request. Called in is for summoning, and called up means to phone or recall. So is the correct choice. The next question, what is the antonym of diligent? तो diligent का opposite word है हार्ड वर्किंग, लेजी, अटेंटिव या फिर केयरफुल. तो इसका सही जवाब है हार्ड वर्किंग. ठीक है, यानी कि डिलीजेंट का जो अपोजिट है वो हार्ड वर्किंग है. डिलीजेंट मीन्स हार्ड वर्किंग और केयरफुल इन एफर्ट लाइक स्टडिंग कंसिस्टेंटली. सो इट्स एंटोनिम इज लेजी. डिलीजेंट का मतलब हार्ड वर्किंग होता है. ठीक है, और इसका यहाँ पर अपोजिट हमने बताना है, तो इसका अपोजिट यहाँ पर लेजी होगा. ठीक है, lazy meaning idle or lacking effort. A key vocabulary destination for CSS or FPSC exam. So hard working and careful are synonyms, and attentive relates to focus, not effort. ठीक है, so making B the answer to strengthen your antonym game. Then next question. Correct the sentence. Neither the students nor the teacher are present. Neither the students nor the teacher is present. Neither the students nor the teacher were present. Or neither the students or the teacher is present. No correction needed. तो इसका सही जवाब ए है. ठीक है, neither the students nor the teacher is present. ऑप्शन ए इसका सही जवाब है. In neither nor sentence the verb agrees with the closest subject. Here the teacher, which is singular. So is correct. Not are, and neither nor is the right pair, not neither are, making A the fix for this CSS or PPSC grammar question. So B uses the wrong tense and C has the wrong conjunctions, and D ignore the error. So A is your pick. Then next question देखते हैं. Advanced vocabulary, choose the synonym for quixotic. So quixotic का synonym बताना है practical, idealistic, realistic या sensible. तो इसका जो अब यानी कि सही आंसर है वो ऑप्शन बी है, आइडियलिस्टिक. ठीक है, क्विक्सोटिक का मतलब क्या है, आइडियलिस्टिक. सो क्विक्सोटिक मीन्स अनरियलिस्टिकली ऑप्टिमिस्टिक और impractical, often chasing noble but impossible dreams like done. Quixotic. So idealistic is the best synonym for CSS vocabulary test, and practical, realistic and sensible all suggest ground in thinking, the opposite of quixotic. So B is the answer. to help you tackle advanced vocabulary in your exams. The next question, by next year I will have completed my degree. Future perfect, present continuous, past perfect और simple future. तो इसका सही जवाब है फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. ठीक है. ऑप्शन ए, the phrase will have completed shows an action finishing before a future point. But next year, which is the future perfect tense? And common grammar point in exams, present continuous, past perfect, and simple future do not match this structure. So A is the correct choice to clarify tense questions. The next question है, what does burn the midnight oil mean? तो इसका क्या मतलब है? Burn the midnight oil mean work late into the night, argue endlessly, waste time या फिर celebrate success. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, वर्क लेट इनटू द नाइट. ठीक है. Burn the midnight oil means working or studying late into the night, like staying up to prepare for an exam. So, a classic idiom for CSS or PPSC test, wasting time, arguing endlessly, or celebrating success do not fit. So, B is the answer to help master idioms and score high in exams. So, next question देखते हैं. To select the correct preposition, he divided the cake dash 4 pieces in, into, on or at. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी. ठीक है. into. Divided into is the correct phrase for splitting something into parts, like cutting a cake into 4 pieces. A grammar rule often tested in exams. So in is for containment, on is for surface, and at is for point. So B is the right choice. Then next question देखते हैं. चूज एंटोनिम ऑफ इफेमरल. इफेमरल का हमने अपोजिट बताना है. ठीक है. तो इसका जो है सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, परमानेंट. ठीक है. इफेमरल का अपोजिट वर्ड परमानेंट है. इफेमरल का मतलब है लास्टिंग और शॉर्ट टाइम, लाइक अ फ्लीटिंग ट्रेंड. सो इट्स एंटोनिम इज परमानेंट, मीनिंग लास्टिंग फॉर एवर. एंड की वोकैबुलरी for PPSC and CSS exams, and temporary, fleeting, and short-lived are synonyms. So C is the answer to boost antonym skills. The next question है, convert to active voice. The letter was written by her. She wrote the letter. She writes the letter. She is writing the letter. या she has written the letter. तो इसका सही जवाब है she wrote the letter. ठीक है. The passive sentence, the letter was written by her, uses past tense. So in active voice, she becomes the subject doing the action, giving she wrote the letter a common transformation tested in exams. So B, C, and D use wrong tenses: present, present continuous, and present perfect. So A is the answer. To clarify, voice changes for your exam. So this session has provided you with 20 carefully selected MCQs to test and improve your English skills. Regular practice with such questions will enhance your confidence and help you perform better in exams. And review these concepts daily and aim for precision in both understanding and answering.